Good morning, children. In last class, we solved the exercise number 1.3 up to how many mains? That is up to second main, I think, right? So fill in the blanks completed. That is a 135 divided by minus 1 is a minus 135, and minus 73 divided by dash is equal to a 73. I showed this one, that is up to fill in the blanks. I hope completed. Next we'll start with that only. That is third main. Okay, so how was your exam? No, not good. Okay, no one written a correct answers. Why? Only playing in home. That is not a what? That is not a behavior of a good student. Okay. See here, I am telling again and again. Be please serious about your studies. Okay. How many days you are in a home? Think about that only. Okay. So you are thinking as we are in home and the teachers will not give any punishment, and okay, we are free from everyone. Don't think like that. Okay, it's not a good. How many days you will be in a home? Only for a next month or other next month. Okay, so at the end, the 1 or 2 month. Okay, almost 1 month or 2 month. After that, the school will be reopened, and you have to come to school. Then every teacher will give a punishment for you if you not done your work. Then getting, so only writing a CW and only writing a HW, is it the way to study? No. Okay, whatever the things in your notebook, that things you should fill in your mind also. Okay, then only the teachers will not punish you. Okay, otherwise for everyone will give the punishment. Please keep it in that mind. Okay, only 1 month or a 2 month you will be in a home and you are enjoying your holidays. After that, we'll take everything is in our control. You are in our control when you come to school. Then we'll take a different type of punishment. Getting? So if you don't want a punishment, then please be serious about your studies. Whatever the things the teachers are telling in the video, you have to be thorough with that. Otherwise, it will be a different only. Okay, we can't tell, we do that one. See, let's see. Okay, so next we'll begin with that is a exercise number 1.3. I hope that fourth will also completed, right? Write a 5 pairs of integers a comma b such that a divided by b is equal to minus 5, where one such pair minus 25 comma 5, because minus 25 divided by 5 is equal to a minus 5. Okay, so you have to write here up to fourth main completed. I completed. Okay, I just remember that is a divide. All those things I completed up to fourth main we completed. Today we'll start with the fifth main. That is a write a pairs of integers a comma b such that not only fourth main, right? Next also we completed. I think that is yeah, correct answers. For negative marks and all those things I completed that. Wait 1 second, I'll see. The product of an integer is that is Rakesh scores 23 marks by attempting a 19 questions. How many questions he has attempted correctly and how many he has been attempted incorrectly. Okay, that Radhika scored no, not for you. That is a sixth standard. Okay. I start with the fifth main only. Write a 5 pairs of an integer a comma b such that a divided by b is equal to minus 5. And where one such pair is a minus 25 by 5, 25 comma 5. That is, if you divide minus 25 with the 5, then the answer will be minus 5. You have to write like that integers, 5 pairs of integers you have to write here. That is fifth one is 1.3 fifth minute. Okay, you have to write the a divided by e is equal to minus 5. Then you have to write the 5 pair of integers. 5 pair of integers. Okay, just write. We want the answer as a 5 here. Then write everything. Every table you have to write here. That is nothing but a see here. Minus 10 divided by answer is minus 5, right? 2 5s are 10, right? So write that one. Next, minus 15 divided by 3, that is also minus 5, right? Because 3 5s are 15. Next, 4 5s are 20, right? Minus 20 divided by 4, that is minus 5. Next, 5 they given, leave 5 and after that take, that is a minus 30 divided by 5, that is, sorry, 6. 6 5s are 30, the question will be minus 5. Next 7, 35 divided by 7, that is also minus 1. So these are the 5 pair of integers, that is nothing but a minus 10 comma 2, here minus 15 comma 3, next minus 20 comma 4, next minus 30 comma 6, next one is minus 35 comma 7, like that we have to write. These are the 5 pair of integers where the answer will be a minus 5. We getting a minus 5 when we divide these two numbers here. Right? So this is the answer, fifth one I am telling. Okay? So next we'll go for the next question, that is an elevator descends into a coal mine shaft at the rate of 5 meter per minute. If the descent starts 20 meter above the ground level, how long will take to reach the 300 meter below the ground? Okay? What they told, see here, an elevator descends into a coal mine shaft at the rate of 5 meter per minute. Okay, so he started, the elevator descends into a coal mine shaft at the rate of 5 meter per minute. What is the rate here the given? That is the sixth one. Rate is equal to 5 meter per minute. Per, this symbol is nothing but a per. Okay, means 1 minute ಗೆ 5 meter ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅರ್ಥ. Okay, for 1 minute this will be a 5 meter, like that it means. Okay, so next the given here, that is if the descent starts 20 meter above the ground level, how long will it take to reach a 300 meter below the ground? Okay, if the descent starts 20 meter above the ground level, then how long will take it to reach a 300 meter below the ground? See here, this is the ground here. This is a ground here and the elevator start with the how many above the ground 20 meter. Here is the elevator first. Here it starts. Okay. So they told here the below the ground is must be a 300 meter. Okay. What is the time taken by the elevator to reach 300 meter below the ground? Okay. Now it is in the here place. This place the elevator is present here. Okay. Above the ground 20 meter above the ground. Here is the elevator is present here. So it will start now. But what is the time taken by the elevator to reach a 300 meter below the ground? Below the ground means here. Okay, here 300 meter we want. Okay, so what is the time here? Here 20 meter and here 300 meter. What is the total length? 320 meter, right? So total length is here. Total height is 20 plus 300, that is a 320 meter. Okay. Now time is equal to this total height divided by rate. Okay, so time is equal to total height is 320 meter. What is the length? 5 meter. Meter get cancelled. 5 ones are 5 6 are 30. 2 carry 5 4s are 20. So the time is how much? Time is 64 minutes. They given in a minutes, right? So here also minutes. Okay. So they told how long will it take to reach a 300 meter below the ground. Means it will take a 64 minutes time to reach the below ground 300 meter here. Okay. It will take a 64 minutes. That is the answer. Getting everyone? Okay. We'll go further. That is the that is, yeah, seventh one, right? Sixth one over. Now we'll solve the seventh one. A total of 2520 was shown as a balance in a Talwinder's saving bank account on a Monday. He withdrew 750 on Tuesday and deposited a 500 on a Wednesday. What would be the balance amount in his account on Thursday morning? Okay, so we'll do now that. Here that is a seventh one, right? Okay, we start with the seventh one here. That is a total of a 2520 rupees was shown as a balance in a Talwinder saving bank account on Monday. Okay, the balance right here. The balance in Talwinder's account on Monday. On Monday, how much is there? That is rupees 2520. Okay. Next. Withdraw money on Tuesday. On Tuesday. How much it took? That is a 750. Okay. Next. Deposited money on Wednesday. Okay, that is rupees 500. Okay, deposited money on that is rupees 500. Getting? So here, next what we have to do here, see the balance in a Talwinder's account on Monday. On Monday, how much money he has in account? That is a rupees 2520. Okay. Next, on Tuesday, what he had done here? On Tuesday, he withdraw the amount. Withdraw means what here? He has to take that amount from the bank. Okay. If he wants the money, so that's why he withdraw. Withdraw means taking of that money from the bank. Okay. So withdraw money on Tuesday, that is a rupees 750. Means from this much money he took a 750 on Tuesday. Next what he did? He deposited money on a Wednesday. How much? That is a rupees 500. Wednesday again he deposited. Deposited means we have to join that this much of money to this much. Okay, deposited in a bank only. Again that is a rupees 500 here. So withdraw means it is a minus. Deposited means it's a plus. Okay, so it will be a minus here and it will be a plus. Deposited means we are adding to that money only, and withdraw means we are subtracting that money from the total money. Okay, so what we have to do here? The money in Talvinder's account on Thursday is equal to rupees 2520 minus rupees 750 plus rupees 500. Okay, so now do the problem here. First add those things, that is a 500, take right here, plus you have to write a one side, that is rupees 500 minus rupees 750 here. Okay, so 2520 plus 500 is 210 and here 3. So that is nothing but rupees 3020 minus rupees 750. Now subtract the values. 3020 minus 750. Here 0, 12 minus 5 is 7, 10 minus 8 is 2, 3 minus 1 is 2. That is here rupees 2270. That will be the answer. Rupees 2270. So this is the answer here. Getting everyone? So money in a Talvinder's account on Thursday morning is this much. This much money is in a Talvinder's account on Thursday. Getting? Okay. So next we'll continue the, that is yes, 8th one. The temperature at 12 noon was 10 degrees Celsius above 0, and if it decreases at the rate of 2 degrees Celsius per hour until midnight, what time would be the temperature be 8 degrees Celsius below 0, and what would be the temperature at midnight? Okay. Whether I solved or not, I am not getting properly. Okay, whatever. If it is already I told all those things, again it is a revision class, think like that. If I am not done this class, then it's a new class. Okay, so don't think more about that. If it is I am repeating the class, I don't know whether I forgotten here, whether I told these things or not. Okay, so if again I am telling this one, then it will be a revision class, consider like that only. Okay, so next one is the temperature at 12 noon was 10 degrees Celsius above 0, and if it decreases at the rate of 2 degrees Celsius per hour until midnight, at the what time would be the temperature be 8 degree Celsius below 0. Okay, and what would be the temperature at midnight, they asked. For this you have to write the first line. That is yes, 8th one, right? First write here times. That is here 12 p.m. Noon is nothing but afternoon. Okay, what is that afternoon time here? We have to write a p.m. only. So to start with the p.m. 1 p.m. 2 p.m. 3 p.m. 4 p.m. 5 p.m. 6 p.m. 7 p.m. and 8 p.m. 9 p.m. They told the temperature at 12 noon was 10 degrees Celsius above the 0. So here we are having a 10 degrees Celsius. This is the 10, 8, 6, 4, 2, 0. Yeah, here will be a 0. Okay, above 0, 10 degrees Celsius at 12 p.m. Okay, at 12 p.m. we are having a temperature. Okay, what they told after that, it will decreases the rate of 2 degrees Celsius per hour. For 1 hour it will decreases by 2 degrees Celsius. Means here 1 p.m. it will be a 8 degrees Celsius. For 2 p.m. it will be a 6 degree. And for 3 p.m. 4 degrees Celsius. For this one 4 p.m. And again told here will be a 0. Okay. And they told until midnight. Okay, until midnight means again 12 am. Up to 12 am it will decreases by 2 degrees Celsius for 1 hour. Okay, so next, at what time would be the temperature be 8 degrees Celsius below 0? Okay, so what time would be the temperature be 8 degrees Celsius below 0? Means in below 0 we want 8 degrees Celsius. For that, what is the time they asked here? Okay, so again do here, that is a minus 2 degrees Celsius, here 4 degrees Celsius, and here minus 6 degrees Celsius, and here minus 8 degrees Celsius. What is the time here? What is the time here? That is a 9 p.m. So we got at 9 p.m. the temperature will be 8 degrees Celsius below the 0. Below the 0. The temperature is 8 degrees Celsius at 9 p.m. Okay. And again they asked what would be the temperature at a midnight. Midnight means here again this is a 10 p.m. and 11 p.m. Here will be a 12 a.m. Okay. So it is a minus 10 degrees Celsius, minus 12 degrees Celsius. Here will be a 14 degrees Celsius. So at midnight, 12 a.m. the temperature is here. Temperature is 14 degrees Celsius below 0. Below 0. Okay, this is the second question answer. This is the first question answer. At 9 p.m. the temperature will be 8 degrees Celsius below the 0. And next at the midnight 12 a.m. the temperature is 14 degrees Celsius below the 0. Okay, so this is the answer. Next we'll go for the ninth question. Ninth question. Ninth one, that is in a class test plus 5 marks for the given for every correct answer. Okay, for every correct answer there will be a 5 marks, and for every incorrect answer there will be a minus 3 marks, and no marks for the not attempting any question here. Okay, so we have to find the scores of Radhika and Mohini as well as the Rakeshi. Okay, so first one, what is the given? The given thing is for correct answer plus 5. Okay, and for wrong answer minus 2. Okay, next one is not attempted question. There will be a 0 marks for that. Okay, first one they told Radhika scored 14 marks if she got 4 correct answer. How many questions has she attempted incorrectly? Okay, they given here Radhika scored 14 marks. Already they given a scored here. Okay, so how many marks Radhika scored here? Radhika scored 14 marks. Okay, and for correct answers is equal to 4. Now we have to find the wrong answer. How many she answered wrong? We have to find. How many wrong answers are she given? We have to find that one. That is how to write here 14. Total marks is 14 we are having. Okay. Correct answer is 4. For each 5. Right? 4 answer is correct. But for one correct answer, how many marks? 5 marks here. So 4 into 5 here. Plus. And we don't know the how many answers are wrong here. How many answers are wrong here? We don't know. That is taken as the x here. So take a x and next for wrong answer, what is the marks here? -3. So write here -3. Okay. Now we'll solve the equation. That is here I'll solve 14 is equal to 4 into 5 20. -3 into x is -3x. Okay. Take 20 this or 3x this side and 14 this side. Okay. 3x is equal to, which is implies 20 minus 14. That is 3x is equal to 6. X is equal to 6 by 3. 3 ones are 3 twos are. So the answer will be what here? X equal to 2 here. So how many answers she told wrong here? 2 answers were wrong. Radhika given a 2 answers wrong here. Like that we have to do. Okay. So wrong answer is nothing but a, therefore number of wrong answers. Number of wrong answer is equal to 2. Number of wrong answer is nothing but a 2 here. Next one, second main question. Read the second one question. Okay, that is Mohini scores -5 marks in this test, and though she has got 2 correct answers, how many questions has she attempted incorrectly? Okay. So second one, marks scored by Mohini. Okay. Marks scored by Mohini is how much? That is a -5. Okay. She given how many correct answers? She given 2 correct answers. So the number of correct answers is number of correct answer. How many? That is 2. Means next one is the, now we have to find the number of incorrect answer. Nothing but the wrong answer. Okay. So we have to find the number of incorrect answers here. How to find the incorrect answer? Same as we done in the first problem. That is -5 is the total marks and 2 correct means that is a multiplied by 5, because one correct answer will get the +5. Next one is we don't know the number of incorrect answer, that is taken as x, and for incorrect answer what is the marks here? That is -3 and -10, and here 2 into 5 is 10 minus 3x. Okay. Now we'll solve this equation. That is 3x is equal to 10 plus 5. Take 5 this side and minus 3x this side. Okay. So which is implies that 3x is equal to 15 and x is equal to 15 by 3. 3 ones are 3 5s are. So x is equal to how much here? So x equal to 5. Therefore the number of incorrect answers. Number of incorrect answer is 5. Okay. The number of incorrect answer is 5 here. So like this we have to do. Third one, try it yourself. Okay. We'll do the next. We'll solve the next questions in the next class. Okay. Thank you everyone. We'll meet in the next class. Homework is solve this all the things 1.3 in a HW. That is the homework for you. Okay. Thank you everyone.